What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to diagnose excessive battery usage on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, check battery usage details. So to do that open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now from here, check which apps or which actions are using more battery, and after checking, fix those apps and actions. And after that, if you're still facing the same problem, then the next solution is update your apps and software of your mobile. So to update apps, open the Play Store app. Now click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now here tap on updates, and if you have any pending update of a app, then update the app, and after updating the app will start working properly and it will not consume more battery. Now to update your mobile software, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update. Now in software update, click on download and install, and here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any pending update, then update your mobile software, and after updating your mobile software, it will fix your excessive battery usage issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same problem, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down, and here click on general management, then scroll down and click on reset. Now here in reset, click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then here again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to default, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after resetting all settings, it will definitely fix your excessive battery usage issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.